Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today's video gives you a quick look at 20 new tools that are surprising, useful, and sure to impress. The Extendable Table Saw features a powerful 2,000-watt motor with a 4,200 RPM no-load speed, supported by a rack and pinion fence, sliding panel, and extendable work surface for accurate handling of large materials. It provides a 590mm rip capacity, a 0 to 45-degree blade tilt range, and includes soft start, a riving knife, and overload protection for safer, controlled operation. The Fibreglass Hop Up is a durable, height-adjustable platform ranging from 492 to 725 millimeters, with a spacious 1,200 by 350 millimeters surface. Its foldable design allows easy storage and transport, making it ideal for DIY workshop and maintenance tasks. The offset adapter enables electrical bolt tightening in tight or obstructed spaces, suitable for frames, duct rails, and pipe installations. With a dedicated socket, it supports H8 to H21 bolts and delivers up to 230 Newton-meter of torque. Malco's drip edge folding tools offer high leverage, precise, and comfortable bending for roofing panels and galvanized steel. They improve speed and ease of use and are available in 16-inch, 18-inch, and 24-inch sizes. The Beta Evox-E electric screwdriver is designed for fast, low-effort tightening and loosening, offering strong ergonomics and practical accessories. It includes 650mm mixed bits, front LEDs for clear visibility, sealed forward/reverse buttons on the handle, and a durable nylon grip. The Milwaukee's M18 string trimmer provides strong cutting power in a lightweight design, reaching up to 6,200 RPM for dense grass. It features high and low speed settings with a variable trigger to balance power and efficiency, a 16-inch cutting swath for increased productivity, and a quick load head that holds 25 feet of .080 line or 20 feet of .095 line. The TurboShear delivers precise rotary cutting for straight sheet metal cuts and attaches directly to a cordless drill for convenient power. Its self-advancing cutting head maintains a steady feed and accurate performance, and its durable construction handles up to 22-gauge galvanized steel. The Butterfly Diamond Blade is a 45mm, 0.45mm ultra-thin disc engineered for clean, chip-free porcelain cutting. Its thin profile improves battery efficiency and delivers highly precise cuts, even on polished surfaces. Built with a continuous diamond layer, it mounts easily on handheld engravers and is designed for use with water cooling. The WetFinder is a non-destructive moisture meter designed to locate and assess moisture in walls, floors, and ceilings. It helps users quickly identify areas with significant moisture damage and make informed repair decisions. The Hollow Roller System is a patented, USA-made captive bar tool that provides safe, controlled turning of hollow forms and bowls. Its sealed, low-drag roller system delivers smooth movement and improved control, allowing users to focus on shaping the piece. The Portable Tire Inflator uses a dual pump system for fast, versatile inflation of car tires, kayaks, air mattresses, and more, and can also handle vacuum deflation. Its upgraded jet inflate motor delivers exceptional speed, inflating a tire in about 1 minute and an air mattress in roughly 30 seconds. The Mini Digital Angle Finder delivers fast, accurate readings with simple operation and a clear rotating display. Its magnetic base allows hands-free use, and its high accuracy and relative measurement mode make it dependable for professional angle checks. The Razor MTC2X is a modular tile cutting system with 2 rails that cut up to 160 centimeters when connected. Strong suction cups keep the guide stable on any tile surface, and the cutting unit uses a titanium-coated scoring wheel for smooth, precise cuts. The turning tool setter makes it easy to repeat the exact shape and bevel angle on bowl gouges, profile gouges, and flat or oval chisels. By setting the jig position, tool protrusion, and grinding wheel distance, you can recreate the same edge every time. It includes profile labels for recording your settings and a guide showing common profiles and how to set them up quickly. The hand clamp cutter provides clear visibility during use and allows quick, easy removal of ear clamps. Its straight, soft grip handles offer comfortable control, making it one of the safest methods for cutting and removing clamps. The universal aligner provides reliable inline fixation using wide plates that offer strong alignment and grip. Thin plates allow secure 45-degree and 90-degree fastening in tight spaces, such as saddle installations. The system is available in metric sizes from 16 to 63 millimeters and in inch sizes from 1/2 to 2 inches, and it comes supplied with a transport bag for easy handling. The PipeCut 220E is a powerful, durable cutter for metal and plastic pipes, offering adjustable speed and constant torque for smooth operation. It handles diameters from 15 to 220 millimeters and cuts up to 8 millimeter steel or 14 millimeters plastic walls. It uses a 140 millimeter blade and includes soft start, speed pre-selection, overload protection, and torque control. The Maxis delivers fast, accurate hydraulic bending for large conduit sizes. Its mast raises and locks in seconds, and the long stroke cylinder allows quick shoe changes without extra adjustments. A handheld remote provides precise control for consistent bends, supported by a rigid mast and precision machine shoes. The material management system is a flexible, space-saving cart designed to handle many types of construction materials. Interchangeable brackets adapt the cart for pipe, unistrut, or custom setups, and multiple carts can be linked to support long loads with smooth pivoting. The tow-behind lawn rake uses 24 durable steel tines across a 48-inch width to quickly remove thatch, weeds, and debris. It attaches easily to most ATVs or mowers, features a lift handle to raise the tines, and includes inflatable tires for smooth movement. Thanks for watching. Those were the tools that can truly change how you get things done. Stay with us for more great finds.